Hi, everyone. I am Sal, the Boeing Safety Attribute Leader.
And I'm Bosco, Boeing Safety Culture Officer.
Welcome to Boeing. Before you get started building our incredible Boeing products, there are some things you should know.
The factory environment poses hazards you must be aware of.
Things like forklifts and vehicles, stored or hazardous energy, crane operations, machine operations, and aircraft towing.
Right, Sal. These are just some of the things you'll need to be aware of. Your manager and your EHS professionals...
Lovely people.
They are. They can help you recognize and, more importantly, understand these and other hazards as you work and move throughout the factory.
Understanding these hazards and knowing what action to take is an important step in protecting yourself and protecting those around you.
For this introduction, let's take a look at our 4 safety guiding principles. Number 1, we are all personally accountable for our own and collectively responsible for each other's safety.
Number 2, all incidents, injuries, and workplace illnesses are preventable. One way to prevent injuries is the proper use of personal protective equipment specific to the work environment. Some common examples of PPE are safety glasses.
These are required in all factory areas, unless in designated safety zones.
Bump caps.
These are required when in the shadow of an airplane, in cargos, fuselages, and wings.
Hearing protection.
When working in high-noise environments.
Factory footwear or safety shoes.
So you can go home with all your toes.
And don't forget your high-visibility vest when working on the flight line. You look great, Bosco.
Oh, thank you. I always wanted to be a model.
Ow! Fire!
What? Where?
No, I meant you. Never mind.
Huh? All right. Number 3. We value human life and well-being above all else and take action accordingly. Wearing PPE is one action you can take that will have a big positive effect on your well-being years to come.
And finally, number 4. By committing to safety first, we advance our goals for quality, cost, and schedule.
Because safety touches every aspect of our daily lives.
That's right. And this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn. As we continue on our journey to zero injuries, Bosco and I will be here to help you along the way with more information and training.
Welcome to Boeing. And remember,
Together
we can build something better.